Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna show you how to scan to USB. So we're gonna be using a Ricoh 307 MPC 307, right? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna first put the document here. So once we put the document, put in the document, so fine. Okay, then we close. Once you close, what we need to do is to put the USB here. USB goes here, right? So you're gonna use, let's see what you're gonna do. Okay, once the USB is in, let's wait what it's gonna say. It said memory something done. So then you can see where it says scan and what? Print scan memory storage device. So then you press there. After that, it's gonna say wait. Okay, then say print from storage device, scan to storage device. So you select this guy. Okay, USB, which is there. It says to remove the memory storage device safe, please press the button left key. Okay, so that's what we're not looking for. Then what we're gonna say, touch that guy. Touch that guy, it should be starting. So now it shows us, you see there are folders here, so to ask us where do you want to scan the, so I don't need to go and open one of the folders. If you want, you can, but me, I want to scan straight to that. Then I'm gonna say press scan, then scanning. Okay, it's done. Then you say finish scan, change settings, scan next, whatever. If you wanna scan something else, then you say yes, but if you wanna finish, you say finish, then you're done. Then you say it has saved the document. So we can look into this. You can see there's our scan. You can see the date 2026 0403. This is the date. So this is the, it names it based on what? On the date. So this is right. Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. This is the way how you scan on the USB on a Ricoh MP C307. MP C307. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in the next video.